Hello competitors, welcome back in my channel. I already uploaded my first video on square and cube roots of numbers, and link of that video is given in the description. And today's video is on number and its type. First type of number is natural numbers. The numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Next is whole numbers. If we include 0 in natural numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is integers. Negative numbers, 0 and all positive numbers includes in integers. Next is fractions. Fractions means these are one type of rational numbers. These are in the form of p by q. 1 by 2, 3 by 7, 8 by 3. Next is rational numbers. Minus 2 by 5, 0.54, 1 by 5, 13 by 4. Then is irrational number. Under root 2, under root 3, pi. Next is real numbers. Minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 1 by 3, pi. Real numbers includes all the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Real numbers is equal to rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Next is imaginary number. Under root of minus 2, under root of minus 5 iota, 3 iota. Then prime numbers. Prime numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. They do not occur in any other number table. And smallest prime number is 2. 2 is only even prime number. And second prime number is 3. Next is 5. Then 7. And next is 11. Next 13. Next 17. Next 19. Next 23. And so on. Prime numbers includes all the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. They do not occur in any other number tables. Like 17 not occur in any other number table. Similarly 19 and 23. Next is composite number. Composite numbers are just opposite of prime numbers, which occur in other numbers tables. And first composite number is 4. 4 occurs in other number tables. 4 occurs in 2. Next composite number is 6. Next is 8. Next is 9. Next is 10. Then 12. These all are composite numbers, and these occur in other numbers tables which have more than two factors. And smallest composite numbers, always remember, is 4. Sometimes question is asked from this topic that which is the smallest composite number, and the answer is 4. And if they ask the question that which is smallest prime number, then the answer is 2. And if the question is the even prime number is, then same answer is 2, because we have only one even prime number, and that is equal to 2. Next, set of natural numbers is denoted by a symbol n. Then set of rational numbers q. Set of real numbers is denoted by r. Set of prime numbers is denoted by p. Then set of integers is denoted by symbol Z. Then the set of even integers is denoted by E, and the set of odd integers is denoted by O. Now set of even integers. Even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The numbers which are divisible by 2. Next, O. O means set of odd numbers, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. Next again same natural numbers, n, 1, 2, 3, whole numbers, integers. Rational numbers are in the form of a by b, and a and b are both integers, and denominator, that is b, is not equal to 0. Next, irrational numbers, and this is very important, non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. And pi, e, under root 2 and under root 3 are examples of irrational numbers. Then real numbers. Real numbers contains all the rational and irrational numbers. Then imaginary numbers. Imaginary number means square root of -2, square root of -3. This is all about basics of number system. Note down all these basics in your notebook for further use. Now let us solve some MCQs. First one is, can we write 0 in the form of p by q? And the answer is yes, because 0 is written as 0 by 1, 0 by 2 or 0 by 3, which is in the form of p by q. So the answer is yes. Next question. In between any two numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers, because in any two numbers there are infinite number of irrational numbers. So the answer is C option. Next question. Which of the following is an irrational number? Now to find irrational number, under root of 4 is 2 and under root of 9 is 3. This is rational number. Second is under root of 12 by 3, that is under root of 4, which is equal to 2, and that is also rational number. Then under root of 81 is equal to 9. This is also rational number, and the answer is C option. This is irrational number. Next question. Which of the following is a rational number? Now checking for rational number. The answer is 0, because all others are irrational number. Next question. The decimal representation of rational number is, and the answer is either terminating or repeating. The decimal representation of rational number is like 0.1414, that is repeating, or 0.15, that is terminating. Next question. Which of the following is rational? And the correct answer is B option, because this is irrational and this is also irrational, and this is 4 by 0 is not defined. So the answer is B option. Next question. Which of the following is equal to x cube? Very easy question. C option is answer. x raised to the power 6 divided by x cube, x raised to the power 6 minus 3, that is x cube. Next question, 3 under root 6 plus 4 under root 6 is equal to, taking under root 6 common, 3 plus 4, that is 7 under root 6, so B option is right option. Next question, which of the following is an irrational number? Now first of all, under root 16, which is equal to 4, which is rational number. Next, under root 12 by 3, that is equal to under root of 4, which is equal to 2. Under root 4 is equal to 2, so it is not irrational number. Next, under root 100, which is equal to 10, again not irrational number. Next is under root 12, so answer is C option. Every rational number is real number, because real number contains or the rational and irrational number. In between any two numbers there are infinite number of rational numbers. Next, under root 6 multiplied by under root 36 is equal to under root 6 multiplied by and under root 36 is equal to 6. 6 under root 6 is answer. A option is right. Next question, 4 under root 6 plus 7 under root 6 is equal to, again taking under root 6 common, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 under root 6. So B is right option. Next question, minus 7 plus 4 under root 7 minus 3 under root 7 is. Now solve this. Minus 7, this is equal to plus 1 under root 7 may be written as under root 7, and this is an irrational number, so the answer is a number which is irrational. B option is right option. Next question, the value obtained on simplifying under root 5 plus under root 6 whole square. Now by using formula a plus b whole square, under root 5 square plus under root 6 square plus 2 under root 5 under root 6. Now under root 5 square is equal to 5 and under root 6 square is equal to 6, and 2, 5 multiplied by 6, that is under root 30 is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 2 under root 30. So the answer is 11 plus 2 under root 30, D option. Next question, the rational number between 1 and 2 is. Now to find out rational numbers between 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 3 by 2, so the answer is A option. Next question, between 3 and 4 there are again infinitely number of rational numbers, because between any two numbers there are infinite number of rational numbers. Next question, the value of 49 raised to the power 1 by 2 is equal to, 49 raised to the power 1 by 2 means under root 49 and under root of 49 is equal to 7, so C is right option. Next question, which of the following statement is true? Because any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, so D is right option. Which of the following is an irrational number? And the answer is B option, because this is irrational number. Next, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to the diameter of the circle. Now ratio of circumference divided by diameter. Now circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r and diameter is equal to 2r. 2 cancelled, r cancelled and is equal to pi, and pi is irrational number, so answer is C option. Next question, insert one rational number between 2 and 3. Means 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Rational number between 2 and 3 is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So answer is A option. Next question, P by Q is a rational number, so P and Q must be integers and Q is not equal to 0. So the answer is D option. Both P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, and the answer is D option. What should be added to minus 5 by 4 to get minus 1? Let x be added to minus 5 by 4 to get minus 1. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus 5 by 4. Now take LCM. Minus 4 plus 5, which is further equal to 1 by 4, and the answer is B option. Next question, the product of two numbers is minus 20 by 9 and one of the numbers is 4. One number is 4 and let us suppose other number is x, and product of these two numbers is equal to minus 20 by 9. So x is equal to minus 20 by 9, that is minus 20 by 36. Now convert it into simplest form. 5 by 9 minus 20 by 36 is equal to minus 5 by 9. So A is right option. Now you will solve similar MCQs based upon number system. And if you like this video, then like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.